It's a certified 2015 Cadillac ATS sedan. With its masterful blend of power, handling, and luxury, this ATS sedan was built for the enthusiastic driver. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: external memory control, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, sport suspension, AM/FM satellite radio, manual tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com points out the balance the ATS exhibits comes via a 50/50 weight distribution and well-tuned standard FE2 suspension, including Cadillac's first ever 5-link independent rear setup. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.